Hello from NETIO Products. Today I would like to present our version NETIO PowerBOX 4Kg. G as a British socket in this case, so you can see it's quite big version. Or we have also other sockets, so German Schuko or French socket, which I have here in this version 4KE. This device is basically standard power strip, so you take a power cable, plug to the wall. When you switch it on, after a certain time, it's switched on one by one by one. The delay there is to protect troubles with the LED lights or with some big servers or something like that, where when you switch everything in one moment, it will shut down your breaker on your electrical circuit. Okay, so this is basically a power socket you can control remotely and you can define. So there is a web interface, and through this web interface you can switch on and switch off each one power socket output. Next to that you can also see the power consumption, because version 4K is metering each output, and you can see the amperes, watt hours, watts, and so on and so on. Fine. This power output can be switched on and switched on the web interface of the unit, of course. But also we have a service called NETIO Cloud, and through the service NETIO Cloud you can connect it through SSL to the service and control it remotely. It's not free of charge, but first something like 3 years are included in the product when you buy it. So remotely you can connect an unlimited amount of devices to your user account and control them. We have also a mobile app, which is very useful. So anywhere you are, you can take your mobile app and through the mobile app remotely switch on or switch off something somewhere. It's quite sexy. That doesn't matter if you are on the local Wi-Fi network or if you are doing it through the NETIO Cloud. Nice. But this device can be also connected to some open API system. So we have the protocols like SNMP, XML, JSON, and so on and so on. You can see the list. It's quite long list of open APIs. All are documented, and feel free to use it in your own applications. But not everyone is programmer, so not everyone want to program his own interface. So then the option is AV drivers. So here you can see the list of audio-video drivers of all systems we support today, and this list is still expanding, so more and more products are added every day. Good. Main purpose for this device are remote restarting. So we are keeping things working. This means you can restart it manually if something happened, but sometimes it can happen that you don't want to restart it manually. So the basic functionality is scheduler. So basically on each output you can define which date, when week, you would like to switch it off in midnight for 2 minutes or something like that, or in the night just to switch on the billboard in front of your company or whatever else. And you can save energy by that, or you can program it that it will be switched on or switched off when there is a daylight or something like that. Additional to that, we have their functionality called watchdog. This means that you can define that, for example, output 2 will ping to certain IP address. If there is a reply, everything is fine. If there is not reply, it will restart the output 2 for 2 seconds or 2 minutes, and it will help to reboot the Wi-Fi router or 3G or 4G connectivity or something like that. This kind of watchdog can be based on ping, which is ICMP standard, but also based on power consumption, because NETIO 4K is metering the outputs. So if you realize that your TV dropped down the power consumption from something like 100 watts to something like 7, it means it's in idle mode, and you can restart it autonomously also. And for the cloud is going only information, hey, your TV was restarted. There are much more functionalities like that. You can find them on our website. Thank you very much for watching this video, and have a good day from NETIO Products.